Miller's Trophy Cabinet. There wasn't a big enough wall in the museum to put them all together, so unfortunately we have to break them in two. Number 1, Shaw Cup Trial Novice Award 1951. Startup. Those are all Scottish 6-day victories and wins. These are British experts. They call it the Skefco Gold Cups. So 5 of those. We move on. These are from all over the world. This Sarama Warrior job from Japan when I rode out there. I don't know why they give me that, but I want it, you know. All various trophies, Belgium, Francorchamps, salvos from Spain and America. Some certificates along here. That's a nice view down at the Norton Gallery there. So some more trophies here. Quite proud of a lot of them. International 6-day. Road racing, of course, trials, mostly trials, but prominent. That's when I rode for Honda, they did that calendar of yours truly. Look a bit younger then. Trophies won in the world in trials, road racing, motocross, grass track, sand racing, and enduro. 11 times British champion, European champion, all that, you know. TT replicas, you've seen my TT bikes. There's 5 silver replicas from the TT. Various trophies, can't really remember where they're from, but gathered them up over the years. And more trophies again. And in the early days, you got decent silver trophies. Now they're all bits of plastic, which is the world we're in. But there were some quite nice quality trophies if you get in locally. Right. What's this here then? Well, that's a bit of Indian woven archives. It says here, the Ute Cup, I won that in America, Colorado Springs, up in the top of the Colorado mountains, and it was Ute country. And so they had the Indians wove some of their memorabilia, and nice trophy. Ute Cup, first place, 1973. And then we moved down here. It's nice to have the plaques across here. These are all plaques from all over the place. That's the Ulster Grand Prix, Northwest 200, Leinster. In the early days, German Grand Prix, they gave you a sort of memorial plaque, which was nice to have. So we've got them all over the place, you know. Down this bank here, more plaques, and so this old barn, we got this barn about 25 years ago. It's really, this is the old section of the museum, and built at the turn of the century, 1900. So we managed to salvage it before it fell down. And nice to have the old oak beams, the trusses, and all the areas to park up all the memorabilia. So nice feeling, a bit of character. And I hear the Froon running, so we better go down and have a listen to the Froon. John Ring and Jim have got it fired up, so we better do a bit on that.